What's the meaning of arson? Arson. Arson.
Arson. Arson. Arson is the intentional act of setting fire to property, buildings, land or vehicles, without the owner's consent. The consequences of arson can be catastrophic, resulting in destruction of property and potentially endangering human lives. Arsonists may have various motives, including revenge, financial gain, or mental illness. The aftermath of arson can be extensive, as the loss of property not only affects the immediate victims, but also impacts the wider community. The process of rebuilding and recovering from the effects of arson can be difficult and lengthy, with financial, emotional, and physical repercussions.